Hi there. So today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I have uploaded a video so far showing my monthlies and weekly spreads for October, but once I'd put all those in, there was another page that I got an idea to do. So I've ended up with a monthly at the end of my weeklies, but that's fine. That's what bullet journaling's about. It can be what you want it to be. So, what's different about this one? So far, I have pretty much copied or tweaked ideas that I've seen from other people, but this page, I've actually come up with the idea myself, so quite proud of that. And it's a self-care page. And what I've actually done is all the things for me that point towards self care, I split into 4 categories and I've colour coded those. So, mind, which is rest, reflect, read, and breathe. Heart, which is kindness, friends, time with my mum, whether that's on the phone or actually going to see her, and time for some contentment. For the soul, I've got music, create, journal, and gratitude. And for body, I've got skin, nails, not that they're great at the moment, go for a walk, fresh air, dance, and take my vitamins. So by having these 4 categories, I've then drawn a calendar at the bottom, and each box has got 4 lines. And then each day, if I cross off something in each category, I then put in the colours. You can see I did this for Thursday, that's the 1st of October, and because I felt that I hadn't covered anything in this area, there's no green box in there. So it's actually the 3rd today, so what I thought I'd do is go back and fill in the box for yesterday, effectively. So if I think about yesterday, and did I do any of these things? Yes, I did. So just before bedtime, I did a short amount of meditation. So that for me is the breathe. So I will colour in the green. Heart, kindness, friends, mums. I've had a couple of WhatsApp conversations with my friends, so I will colour in the purple. Soul, I did my journal yesterday and completed my gratitude log, so achieved that line. And then body, I went for a walk yesterday. It was the rain here in the UK yesterday was horrendous, but I had to pop to the local shop, and instead of jumping in the car, I actually walked around. I got absolutely soaking, but that still constitutes exercise, which I did get some fresh air and took my vitamins yesterday. So with all those things, I'll pop the pink line in. And so can you see how over the month, in theory, if I'm getting things absolutely right, there would be all 4 colours in all of the days. You and I both know that's unlikely to happen, but at least it keeps me motivated on and focused on, ensuring that I'm looking after myself on a daily basis, really. Came up with this design myself. I'm, as I say, really proud of it, really. And I'll see how I get on with it during the month. And then at the end of the month, having a look through. And for me, at the end of the month, what I'll be looking for is the colours that aren't there. So which areas have I not been concentrating on? And then maybe going into next month, make sure I've got some stuff in place to make sure that I concentrate on the areas that have been lacking through this month. So I thought I'd share this. As I say, something I came up with myself. And for the first time that I've been bullet journaling, come up with my own spread. So I hope you enjoy seeing it. Just a short video to show it off, really. And I'm now starting to think about November setup and what have you. So if you don't want to miss those, then please subscribe so you know when I've uploaded a new video. And talk again soon. Take care. Bye bye.